Hello everybody, this is Vinayak from Voxfor Lifetime, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can use the cd command to navigate and manage files on your Linux server. So basically Voxfor is a lifetime VPS hosting and dedicated servers company from which you can purchase VPS servers and dedicated servers. To get your VPS credentials, you have to click on the login button in the top right corner of the website. Let's click on that. After which you will see this login panel. What you have to do is you have to enter your login credentials. So I'll be entering my login credentials, and just after you log in to the panel by clicking on the login button, you have to find your credentials. As you can see that I'm now logged in into my Voxfor panel. So let's navigate to our services, which we can see over here, or we can just click over here and get to our service. Now what we have to do is we have to fetch our IP address of the server and the console root and password. So we are going to use Termius in this example. Let's head over to Termius, and now you have to add your IP address using the new host button. So Termius is used for Mac OS or Windows because it is a cross-platform client. But if you are on Windows, you can use Putty or another SSH client as well. Now what I am gonna do is I just have to double click on my server, and then I'll be connected to my server. Now, as you can see that I'm now logged in into my server. All I have to do is let's start the commands, the tutorial of the commands. First of all, to navigate to a directory, which is a home directory, we will be doing cd space forward slash home. And now you can see that I'm into the home directory. Just like this, if I want to navigate to the root directory, or I want to, let's say, view what files are there in the home directory, I can simply type in ls and it will show me about the files which are present in my home directory. As you can see that there are two text files and two folders present in this directory. Now I'll be going back to my root directory. For that, you can either just do a cd. This will take you back to the root directory, or there is another way to move back to your root directory. For that, we'll be exploring it forward. Now I have to show you if you want to go in a specific directory under a directory, which is also known as subdirectory. For that, what we can do is we can do cd space forward slash home forward slash projects, and yeah, you can see that I'm now into the projects directory. Now, let's say I want to move back to the root directory, but I don't want to do just the cd. So in that case, what I can do is I can type in cd space and then this sign. This sign will now tell us, or the terminal of the VPS, that we have to go back to the root directory of our server. And as soon as like we do this, like we will only be going one to the home directory. Now you can see that I'm into the home directory now. Now let's do one thing. Let's go to a system level directory, that is user. So for that we have to do cd space slash usr, and let's say I just want to visit the folder bin, then I can do forward slash bin. Now you can see I'm in the bin directory, and if I want to check in which directory I'm currently there, I can simply run pwd, and this will show in which directory I currently am, or the terminal is working. Now let's say I just want to go one directory back. In that case, what I can do is I can just type cd space double dot and press enter. Now you can see I just went a directory back, which I can verify by doing pwd. Now let's say I just want to go back to the previous directory, that was the bin directory. So in that case, what I can do is I can just type in cd space hyphen, and now you can see that I got back into the bin directory. So these are some pretty cool commands which you can try out in the cd command. There are several other commands as well which you can find in our articles, our blog, and our YouTube channel. Let's say now I just want to navigate to the directory, that is the log directory in my var folder, in the var of the system. So what we can do is we can do cd space /var slash log, and now you can see that I'm into the log directory. And I let's say I just want to go back to the root directory. In that case, I can just simply do again the cd, and these are the commands which you can use to work on the directory management in your Linux server. Apart from that, there are some things which you have to keep in mind, that if you want to visit the user directory or the var directory, you have to be a sudo user, like that is either a root user, because from a sub user you cannot do that. And that's it for the video. Thank you. Have a good day. And for other guides like this one, like this very unique guide, you can follow the Voxfor YouTube channel, and you can go to our blog and check out our other videos as well. Thank you.